Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stretch your videos using the uniform scale in the CapCut PC. So the uniform scale can easily found under the basic in here on video basic, and under the transform section there is uniform scale. So if you don't enable the uniform scale, you can adjust the scale width and also height separately, but if you want to use or to set it at once, you can enable the uniform scale. So just click on the circles right here, and here you can see this there is only one scale adjustment. Here you can easily adjust the scale like this, or also let's see what's different. Okay, only the scales like this. Adjust it how you like it. You can also use keyframes. For example, at the start, I'm going to just leave the video on its original position, original scale, sorry, like this. And I'm going to add a keyframe on the scale, and let's go to here. Then I'm going to adjust the scale bigger like this. So with uniform scale, you can easily scale your video or stretch your videos at once. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.